In this video, we will talk about how you can start making money online in 2020, especially if you're a beginner. Make sure you set yourself up for success by claiming the free downloadable guide in the description section below. I started my first online gig in 2014, and by 2018, I was earning completely online. In fact, by 2019, my online earnings became my family's main source of income. So in today's video, I want to share with you what I wish someone had told me when I was just a beginner, why you should start making money online, and how you can get started. When I quit my 9-to-5 job in 2014, I was introduced to the possibilities of earning money online. Now, the problem was I didn't know how to get started. And while I thought it was just as simple as Googling it, I was overwhelmed by the amount of opinions that I got. Most of them were telling me to basically start my own online business. But if you're like me, when you're just getting started, you have no idea how to start your own online business, how to run an online business or a business at all, and let alone earn income on your own. In fact, when I was just getting started, I wasn't even interested in starting my own business. I really just wanted to find out how I can start earning income online. So, while there are many different ways for you to earn income online, what I wish someone had told me when I was just getting started was this: go find an online-based job. Go get a remote job. Simple. Why is this such a game changer? Well, I believe that ultimately having your online-based business is the secret to a lifestyle of freedom. If you're working your 9-to-5 job, or if you're just transitioning online, chances are you'll feel stuck and overwhelmed if your first goal is to earn money through an online business. You see, what's happening here is you're jumping from one territory to another that's completely unfamiliar to you. So if you're serious about making money online, your first goal should be to secure a remote job. Why? It's simple. Because once you can trade your skills for money online, you essentially get to know more about the online industry while still getting paid. And should you want to start your own business, you'll have the knowledge and the clarity on how to do just that successfully. So why should you start making money online? If you're among the lucky ones who were considered essential during the 2020 pandemic, and perhaps you're among the few who were able to bring home their work and just continue it at home, then kudos to you. However, for a lot of people, their jobs were put on hold. That means their paychecks were canceled. After the 2020 pandemic, it is very clear that there is a new way of doing things. A lot of jobs will now move online in order to sustain many different businesses. And your job, in order to thrive in this new economy, is to adapt and adjust. So how can you get started if you're just a beginner? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I actually created a free training that you can check out over here. And when you watch the video, you will learn how you can get started making money online if you have zero experience. And that means I will talk about what skills you may have right now that you can start capitalizing on, what skills are in demand in the new economy, and where you can find job and work opportunities. So if you're ready to adapt and adjust and start making money online in 2020, type yes in the comments below. Hi there, my name is Paige. Welcome to my channel. I release videos every Friday sharing with you tips and tricks on how you can master the success mindset so that you can be blessed in every area of your life. Part of that is sharing with you just how you can make profits online so that you can create a life and a business that you love. So if you're into that kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you can get notified when my next video is up. Always remember, your calling is inside. Do the work, embrace it fully, complete the journey. Here's to mastering your life and your business.